Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be covering how to activate and get started with the integration between YCharts and Northwestern Mutual. To activate the integration, we can do this by SSOing in from the LinkNet platform. So when you SSO into YCharts, that will automatically connect and activate the integration. If you have any questions on how to do this, please feel free to reach out to your support representatives. We can double check the integration is active by heading to the support dropdown at the top of the page and selecting integrations. Here on our integrations page, scrolling to the bottom, I'll find Northwestern Mutual and be able to see that this is indeed active. So from here, I can get started using the integration by heading to the tools dropdown and selecting portfolios. Here in the top right, we'll find the option to import holdings. So I'll go ahead and select that and select Northwestern Mutual. And this will prompt me to search for a client. By searching and selecting a client, this will then prompt you to select the account or accounts that you're looking to import. So I'll go ahead and select this and select import. And this will take us into the portfolio editor. So here I can continue to edit this portfolio. I can change the benchmark or rebalance frequency or add a fee. And I can also review the holdings that we've imported. If there are any symbols that do not match, it'll prompt you to select a proxy. So for this item here, we'll go ahead and select one and select update. And this will then allow me to save this portfolio and kick off the calculations. When the portfolio has finished calculating, I'll be able to select it to open up its quote page. Here, I'll be able to start looking at some of the great data that YCharts has to offer. So I can view performance information, asset allocation, top holdings, and risk. I can also click through the different tabs up top to get a more in-depth look at some of these different areas. Or I can also select the reports option in the top right to generate an overview or side-by-side including this portfolio. If you have any further questions on the integration, please feel free to reach out to your YCharts support representative. Thanks.